Hello everyone, this is a tutorial about how to disable your Windows Defender firewall in Windows 10. So Windows doesn't recommend it to turn off Windows Defender firewall because there will be problem, but in case you just need to disable your Windows firewall. So you just have to go to your search bar and search for control panel, control, and you'll find the option control panel. Click on control panel, then you will go to system and security. Click on system and security. You will find option Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Windows Defender Firewall. Then in the left side you'll find the option called turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Click on it. Here you will find two options for private network settings and public network settings. In case you need to turn off only for private home network settings, just turn off Windows Defender Firewall, and if you want to for both, there is option turn off Windows Defender Firewall for public network. So that's it. You just have to click OK and your Windows Defender Firewall will be turned off. Click OK. That's it. Your firewall is now off. Windows Defender Firewall. So if you want to turn it on again, just go to your turn on Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Just turn it on. Click OK. That's it. Very easy, very simple. So if you find this video very helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give this like to this video. Thank you.